Hello, welcome to another Dance TV, and we're back on the loft conversion. We're going to skim it all. We're going to skim this in 2 days. We've got a bit of boarding to do. I've brought reinforcements in. Lee's on the job. Lee and his son's on the job. Used to work with Lee, but then his son left school and became a plasterer, and like Liam did. Hang on, I'm in the way. So we've got to move all these boards because we need the fire line boards to do this. Right, it's all happening. I'll bring you back on in a minute. Let's get some work done. Right, we're all ready, we're all beaded, we're all ready to go. Me and Liam are going to launch that long side on. Come by, he's had me again, and Lee's going to put that side on. But we're going to have a bucket to fill everything in, fill all the beads and round, because they're quite thick. So it's better, I think, to just have a filler. Luke doesn't agree, but this is where experience comes in with the old heads, doesn't it? Have a filler, fill everything out. By the time you get to them, they've picked up a little bit and you're not losing a load of stuff. Right, come on then, mix it boys. Go on then, go and get a tub. A medium bucket. And then I'll put you on there on a time lapse and that should look good. Right, get the tapes filled out. Even Lee fills his tapes out. Sign of a good plasterer, that. Fill your tapes out and your beads. So that bucket didn't really go that far. That like one bag, we filled out everything, and here we are lashing it on. Lee's put his reveals on. I went right to the end. I'm sure I had the bigger side, although he had another little room in there. He was doing a little ceiling. This is me just laying in. Get it laid down. Liam got the short straw on his knees, doing the bottom bit, but that's what apprentices are for. Get on the floor, on your knees. Right, that is the gauge on and laid down. And it's had a flick over. Look at the state, it's absolutely boiling up here now. The sun's baking through them windows and making it red hot in here. Liam's just flicking up to the bottom. I went as far as I could reach, about here. Liam's just flicking the bottom out. We've got the reveals on, just one side of a reveal we missed out on. And the boys got that on as well in there. Split that up a little bit. It's that angle that's the problem. Nightmare, because you're up there like that and it's falling down on you. What's it doing? Show me.
Look at that. Time over it. Because of that edge there where you've left it, I've come across it horizontally to build, just so it's like neat like that.
Yeah.
Took a look to it. But when I've gone across the top, it's like that there, so I've tried to fix it and it's done it there again.
Oh yeah, it's just drying, mate. We better get back on it. The heat in here, it's just like drying it. What's that, Lee? You rough bastard. Look at that. Didn't know what you're going to do with them lines, stand them down.
I've only got the X amount on the side.
Idiots. That's getting cut. I cracked the joke, shit house. I cracked the funnies round here, Lee. Right, that's that gauge all done, and it's the end of the day. Because that was a hard slog. I'd like to get more on. We've only ended up having one gauge because there was so much setting up to do. It took me forever to set everything up, but we're done now, aren't we, look? And we've sort of broke its back. We've took the longest wall out. All the window walls are done, if you like to say, the ones with all the Velux windows. So tomorrow, the first mix is I'm going to take that down there and this round here. Right, and then once we've got that on, we'll move all them boards here because all that'll be skimmed. Young Luke's going to go in here. He's got 2 gauges in there. Me and Lee are going to do 2 gauges in this room. And Liam's going to start king spanning and boarding that and stuff. And then that'll be it. All this will be skimmed. There'll just be that to skim. But there's a bit more work down there that we need doing so we can free up before we can skim. But that's it for day 1. Right. Check out day 2. Oh, quickly. What happened was, because it's so hot in here and you're skimming, and for some reason plaster seems to take the air out the room, takes the oxygen out the room. And so this, I mean, they're all right. We've got them, but as you were going over them, it was like ripping. So you can see there's a bit of fat marks that you don't usually see. You don't usually get watermarks on my sort of jobs. because I don't use a lot of water. But look, it's all over the place. We had to literally douse it and put loads of water on to get it to stop ripping. See like that, look, it's only water, nothing there, it's just like a watermark. So sometimes, boys, you've got to do what you've got to do, haven't you? And you've got to splash water on. Just a quick one for you as well. Look what I found. Does anyone remember then? And what the for? Get in the comments. You old timers will remember them. I remember them, but you old timers will remember them. Man, you old timer. I'm 50. Oh, man. Right, that's the job up here, all done. All skimmed, all nice and bonny. I haven't actually done a lot of skimming today. We skimmed this yesterday, then the first gauge, we brought that through. We got all this done. We had and then we had another gauge. All that's done. All nicely boxed off. We can't do the hallway. We did actually, we managed to board all that. It's all been king-spanned and vapour barriered and boxed off. And we managed to get that wall down. But we kind of run out of time and there's not a lot to do there anyway. That just needs fibre boarding, and then under there and there's some stairs to go in and all sorts of stuff. So that's not gone in. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, get in the comments, hit the bell, hit the hype, hit the thumbs up, send a question, and I'll see you on the next one.